Ever notice how some people seem to navigate life with remarkable ease? They make better decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and consistently come out ahead while everyone else struggles. What's their secret? Is it superior intelligence? Special connections? Pure luck? The truth is much simpler and more accessible. These people understand hidden patterns in human behavior and decision-making that most never notice. They've mastered mental shortcuts that give them an almost unfair advantage in nearly every situation. I'm going to share 3 powerful mental models that will immediately upgrade your thinking. These aren't complicated theories. They're practical tools you can apply today to make better decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and gain a legitimate edge in work, relationships, and life. Most people try to solve problems directly. They ask, how can I achieve success? But the world's top performers use a counterintuitive approach called inversion thinking. Instead of focusing only on what you want to happen, ask yourself, what would guarantee failure? Then avoid those things. Mark, a small business owner, was struggling to grow his company. He'd read countless books on success strategies, but nothing seemed to work. Then he tried inversion thinking. Instead of obsessing over, how can I make my business succeed? He asked, what would absolutely guarantee my business fails? His answers were revealing: ignoring customer feedback, running out of cash, creating a toxic workplace culture, failing to adapt to market changes. By systematically eliminating these failure points, Mark's business grew 40% in 1 year without implementing a single new success strategy. Why does this work? Because avoiding catastrophic mistakes is often more powerful than making brilliant moves. While everyone else chases success, you'll be quietly eliminating the very things that guarantee failure. Try this today. For any goal you're pursuing, write down the 5 actions that would absolutely ensure failure. Then create specific plans to avoid each one. Most people either make decisions too quickly with insufficient information, or they delay endlessly seeking perfect information. Both approaches lead to poor outcomes. Former Secretary of State Colin Powell developed what he called the 40-70 rule. Make decisions when you have between 40% and 70% of the information you'd ideally want. Less than 40% and you're shooting in the dark. More than 70% and you've likely missed the opportunity window. Sarah, a marketing director, was paralyzed trying to launch a new campaign. I kept delaying, thinking I needed more data, more certainty, she explains. After learning about the 40-70 rule, she realized she was well past the 70% threshold and had been stuck in analysis paralysis. Most people either jump too soon, under 40%, or wait too long, over 70%. By operating in the sweet spot, you'll make timely decisions with adequate information, which is exactly how top performers operate. Try this today. For a decision you've been postponing, ask yourself honestly, do I have between 40 to 70% of the information I need? If yes, it's time to decide and move forward. We all create mental maps of reality, simplified models that help us navigate the world. The problem? Most people confuse their maps with the actual territory. The phrase, the map is not the territory, reminds us that our models, beliefs, and assumptions about reality are not reality itself. David, an investment banker, lost millions in a market crash because his economic models, his map, didn't account for black swan events. When you remember that the map is not the territory, you hold your beliefs more loosely, you stay curious rather than judgmental, you spot opportunities others miss, you adapt quickly when circumstances change. Most people become emotionally attached to their maps, their beliefs, predictions, and expectations. When reality differs from their map, they experience frustration, denial, or confusion. Top performers regularly update their maps. Try this today. Identify one strong belief you hold about your work, relationships, or the world. These mental models aren't just interesting ideas, they're practical tools that will immediately improve your decision-making. The people who seem to move through life with remarkable ease aren't necessarily more intelligent than everyone else. They simply use better thinking tools. The question is, will you actually apply these models, or will this be just another interesting video you watched and forgot?